Hydrangeas are easy to grow perennials that will bloom beautifully year after year with little to no effort. Hydrangea flowers can range from sapphire blue to pink. In this video, I will show you how to turn your hydrangea flowers blue. First, make sure you have the correct hydrangea variety. Not all hydrangea varieties turn blue. You need to make sure you have the big leaf hydrangea variety. Big leaf hydrangea flowers can turn blue, purple, or pink, depending on the soil pH. Other hydrangea varieties, such as the Annabelle hydrangea, have white flowers. These flowers will not turn blue or pink. Make sure you have the big leaf hydrangea variety. In the garden center, look for big leaf hydrangeas such as Nico Blue, Endless Summer, and Endless Summer Twist and Shout. Next, you need to measure the soil pH. There are many ways to measure soil pH. The easiest way is to use a soil tester to measure the soil pH. If you don't have a soil tester at home, you can use vinegar and baking soda to measure the soil pH. First, dig up some soil around 3 to 4 inches deep. Remove any rocks and debris. Add water to the soil until muddy. Then add vinegar to the soil. If it starts to bubble, then your soil is alkaline. To test for acidic soil, add baking soda. If it starts to bubble, then you have acidic soil. If there's no bubbling with vinegar or baking soda, then you have neutral soil. Another way to determine your soil pH is to look at your hydrangea plant. If your hydrangea flowers are pink, then you have alkaline soil. If your hydrangea flowers are purple, you have neutral soil. And if your hydrangea flowers are blue, your soil is acidic. Soil pH for blue flowers. If you want blue hydrangea flowers, you need to have acidic soil of pH 5.5 or lower. Soil pH for pink flowers. If you want pink hydrangea flowers, you need to have alkaline soil of pH 6.5 or higher. Soil pH for purple flowers. For purple flowers, or a mix of blue and pink flowers on the same plant, you need to have close to neutral soil pH of 5.5 to 6.5. How to make your hydrangea flowers turn blue. To make hydrangea flowers turn blue, you need to make your soil acidic. You can do this by adding potassium aluminum sulfate, but the easiest is to add prepackaged soil acidifiers that are found in garden centers. Know that it takes time for your hydrangea flowers to turn blue. You need to apply a few rounds of soil acidifiers for your hydrangea flowers to turn blue. Also, if you already have pink hydrangea flowers on your hydrangea plant, it will not turn blue since the flowers have already bloomed pink. You'll have to wait until next year for blue hydrangea flowers. How to make your hydrangea flowers turn pink. To make hydrangea flowers turn pink, you need to increase your soil alkalinity. You can do this by adding garden lime, which you can find in your local garden center. It takes time for your hydrangea flowers to turn blue. Be patient and adjust your soil pH as needed. Please like and subscribe for more gardening videos like this. Thanks for watching.